My name is Daniel Mozel. I am a senior at Western Michigan University. I'm graduating from the College of Engineering and Applied Sciences with a major in Engineering Design Technology this semester. I specifically chose engineering design as I have always had a passion for using my creativity to make things ever since I was a kid. With engineering, I can hopefully utilize my ingenuity to create innovative products and solutions to improve people's lives. The signature pathway I have chosen to pursue is leadership. I chose this pathway as it resonates with me the most. During my life, I've always been a part of a team, whether it was in sports or academics. Often in a team setting, I end up in a leadership role as I have had a passion for helping others achieve a common goal. My peak experience has to do with design thinking to create a better community. During my time at Western, I've had the privilege of being an executive board member of the Innovation Club, which runs the makerspace on campus. The makerspace is a space in the library open and accessible to students that fosters the innovative ideas of students through collaborative thinking and project-based learning. Being in a leadership role for such a creative club has exposed me to many different hobbies and makers on our campus. As a student leader on campus, I was selected to become a University Innovation Fellow, which is a program run by Stanford's Institute of Design. The University Innovation Fellows program empowers students and faculty to become leaders of change in higher education. Fellows are leading a global movement to ensure that all students gain the attitudes, skills, and knowledge required to navigate our ever-changing world. At a meetup for this fellowship in Silicon Valley, I was first exposed to design thinking. Design thinking is an iterative problem-solving method that seeks to understand the user in order to redefine problems in an attempt to find alternative solutions that may not be instantly apparent. After returning from California, I was really excited to see how I could apply this process in my life and studies. Another fellow and I decided it was our duty to bring what we learned from this fellowship to campus and help expose other people. So we decided to begin teaching pop-up workshops around campus. After a few months, people really liked what we were doing, and eventually we were being invited into different classrooms and spaces all around campus for all sorts of groups of people. We were starting to feel like we were making an impact. I was also able to work with David Milton, an engineering design professor here at WMU, to integrate design thinking into some of his design classes, as it is a very valuable problem-solving method to learn. With having a strong hold on this process, having taught it to many different people over the course of a year, we were recruited by Tony Proudfoot, the Vice President of Marketing and Strategic Communication for WMU, to assist him in his Think Big initiative. Think Big is a design thinking process that engaged more than 1,000 members of the university community. The engaged process was critical because we did not simply come up with a new marketing campaign, rather we were determined to change our offering and our strategic position as an institution. I was able to play an advising role in Think Big. As a University Innovation Fellow, I helped design the first town halls. I was able to develop the design process for our first 40-person design team and was a major contributor to that team. In addition, I was able to run a workshop to teach the main leadership board this process. Having an advising role allowed me to be a leader among professors, business leaders, and university senior leaders. Think Big will transform Western Michigan University by making students' mental, physical, and academic well-being its top priorities, and aim to increase career preparedness by ensuring that students have an opportunity every year to have an experience they can add to their resume. And I was able to play a key role in that effort. All of these experiences were extracurricular, but as an engineering design major, it has allowed me to gain real-life experience using this problem-solving process, as I will be constantly solving problems in industry. My overall WMU experience is extremely attached to what I've done outside of the classroom. My peak experience has allowed me to grow as a leader and allowed me to help our campus community. The impact of my experiences not only has helped me, but has potentially impacted thousands of Western Michigan University students, faculty, and staff. After my time here at WMU, I feel that I am ready to move into my professional career and put my skills to the test. After graduation, I'll be working at General Motors as a design engineer, where I can hopefully leave an impact by creating the best products I can for the consumer. Thank you.